Remember that so you can tell the other
Okay.
ancestors.
I can tell everybody. There was a contingent of Marines on this battleship. They took care of the guns. There must have been about 50 of them. Marines aren't noted for being very bright.
Careful.
Especially if you're a Navy man.
There was two Marines in this bunch who were the brightest of the bunch.
Uh-huh.
But their time was about to expire, and they were going to go out of the Marines and quit. They decided when they went out, these two got their heads together. They were going to start a chicken farm. And they're going to raise chickens and sell the chickens to Colonel Sanders and make a fortune. So the time was up and they went out and they bought a plot of land. They put a mobile home on it where they could live in the mobile home. They prepared the land and they sent away for 1,000 little chicks. That's the way they come, just, you know. This is a sad part. I hate to tell this to some time, but anyhow, they got 1,000 little chicks, and they all died. They all died.
Just cry.
So they sent away for another 1,000. And they all died. I hate to tell one. But they thought they better check up and find out maybe they were doing something wrong. And come to find out they were planting them too deep.
He told you that story?
Now this,
I never heard that story.
These were, remember now, these were two of the brightest.